All right. What? What? Oh yeah. No, I do legs too. You know, shave legs. This one, the left was fine. The right one, anyway, she's coming back next week for that. I'll fix that. Anyway, yeah, my turn? Okay, you get out of here. Yeah, you look pretty good. No, I don't got this. Oh, that's right. Diane, she taught me how to do this. You kind of comb it, right? Put the comb up in here, right? Don't, you know, you won't cut yourself, right? Yeah, that's that's pretty good. That looks pretty good. Down here off the edge, this thing. That's a big boy here. That worked for stunt double. A little clogged up there. I don't know about this. Don't tell Mom. Could make a bald spot. Whoop! Ah! Oh. Yeah, I don't know about that. Might have hit something. Well, just a little more. Oh, yeah, that was close. Oh, okay. Oh boy. Better get something on that. Give me a hand. Just hold that, some pressure. Thanks. I learned from Mr.Chew. All right. A little nose hair trim. Oh yeah, hello. Yes, I'm Mr. Chew. We're going to give you a tinge. Come.